Hi children, this is Aruna, your maths teacher from Bharadasana Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Today we are going to see 6th standard maths. The second chapter is whole numbers. So already first two exercise we have started the second exercise and we have seen about the properties of whole numbers. So the properties you have learned. Next, the next property is distributive property. Here what is distributive property of multiplication over addition as well as distributive property of multiplication over subtraction too. We will see the property now. See, A into B plus C, this is multiplication over addition. So A into B plus C equal to, here it distributes here like A into B, that is the first thing here. A into B plus A into C. So the distributive property of multiplication over addition is A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. So the next is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Instead of addition, here it is given as subtraction. So A into B minus C equal to, see, first A into B minus, next what will happen? A into C. So A into B minus C equal to A into B minus A into C. So this is distributive property which we are going to use in the exercise. Now we will see how we are going to use distributive property in the problems. See, evaluate using distributive property. They will give this in the question itself. Using distributive property only you need to solve this, right? See, the question which is given here is 352 into 18 plus 352 into 82. Here both this 352 are same na. So we have seen the distributive property also, which is like we will consider this as A. Both are same value, right? And we will consider this as B and this as C. Now the property is A into B plus A into C equal to A into B plus C. This is the property we have seen, distributive property of multiplication over addition, right? Now the given question is in the form of A into B plus A into C. Now we are going to find the answer in the form of A into B plus C. It will be easy to solve in this way. That's why we are using distributive property here. See, the question is 352 into 18 plus 352 into 82 equal to, here A value is 352 into B plus C. What is B value? B is 18 plus C. What is C value? 82. Now already I told you in bracket first whatever the number is given we should solve the number. That is 18 plus 82. Add this to 18 and 82. 8 plus 2 is 10. 0 remaining is 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. What is the answer now? Yes, 100. 352 into 100. Is it clear? Now we can multiply this number directly. We no need to multiply with 100. First we will take 1 with any number. Any number multiplied by 1 gives the same number. We have seen in the multiplicative identity na. So whenever you multiply a whole number with 1, you will get the same whole number. That is 352 and join these two zeros with this answer. So therefore 35200 is the answer. So by in this way we can solve the using distributive property. The next problem is, see, simplify using distributive property. The question is 953 into 997. See, we want to make this as distributive property. How to write this in the sense? See, 953 into, see, this 997 is nearest to the whole number. What whole number it is nearest? It is nearest to 1000, right? So we can write this as 1000 minus 3. So 1000 minus 3 gives what? 997. Now this is in the form of distributive property, right? That is A into B minus C. Distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So here 953 is A into 1000 is B and minus C, that is C is 3. Is it clear? Now we will write the property A into B minus C equal to A into B minus A into C. Now substitute the values here. A into B minus C is in the form of this. That is 953 into 1000 minus 3 equal to. What is A value? 953 into B. B is what? 1000 minus A into C. A value is again 953 into C value is 3. Now first we will multiply this. Already I told you we don't want to multiply with 1000. We are going to multiply only with 1. Whenever you multiply a number with 1, we will get the same number. That is 953. And here 3 zeros now. We will join that 3 zeros here. Minus 953 into 3. So multiply this number with 3. See the multiplication 953 into 3. Yes, Anjana, what is 3 3s are? 3 3s are 9. Very good. Dinesh, what is 3 5s are? 3 5s are 15. 15 5, remaining is 1. Next, 9 3s are. Shivani, what is 3 9s are? 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. Very good. So 2 8 5 9 is the answer. Now we need to subtract these two numbers. We will get the answer. Is it clear? Directly by multiplying this, if you use the property, it will be easy for us to solve. Right? Shall we subtract this two? See the question. 9 5 3 0 0 0 and here 2859. And we want to subtract this. Can we subtract? See, from 1's place we need to start. 0 minus 9. Can you subtract 0 minus 9? So we are going to borrow from the next place. So the next 10's place and the 100's place also 0. What to do then? Yes, Dinesh, we need to borrow from 3. So when you are going to borrow from 3, so if I am going to borrow 1, then what will be 3? 3 will become as 2 and this 0 will become as 10. Again I will borrow from this 10 and this will be 9 and 10's place will be 10. Again 10's place if I borrow, it will be 9 and this will become as 10. Now we can subtract this. See, 10 minus 9. So what will be the answer? 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. Yes, Deepak, 9 minus 5. What is 9 minus 5? 9 minus 5 is? Very good, 4. 9 minus 8. What is the answer? 1. 2 minus 2 is 0 and 5 and 9. So finally we got the answer, which is 950,141. Is it clear how to make the question into distributive property and to solve, right? So we have seen distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. And one more example we will see now. See, simplification using distributive property. Here we are going to use distributive property over addition, multiplication over addition. See how to make this as over addition. 104. How to write 104? We can split 104 like 100 plus 4. Very good. So we are going to write 384 into 100 plus 4. Now which is in the form of A into B plus C. Here A value is 384, B value is 100, C value is 4. Shall we write the property now? A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. Now write the question. 384 into 100 plus 4 equal to A into B. A value is 384 into B value. What is B value? 100 plus again A into C. A value is 384 into what is C? C is 4. So now 384 into 100. So with 1 first we are going to multiply, not with 100, right? So when we multiply 384 with 1, what will be the answer? Yes, very good. 384, and for 100 two zeros, join the two zeros. Plus 384 into 4. Yes, Parvesh, you can say the answer. 384 into 4. What 4 fours are? 4 fours are 16. Yes, 16, 6, and remaining is 1. Again, 4 8s are. So 4 8s are, Vignesh. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 1, 33. So 3 and remaining is 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3, 13, 14, 15. So the answer is 1536. So finally if we add this both, we will get the answer. See, 384001536. Add this now. 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 3. Yes, 3. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. 8 plus 1. 9 and 3. So the answer is 3, 9, 9 and 3, 6. So we have seen distributive property of multiplication over addition.